a major BJP ally Nitish Kumar, the Janata Dal United Bihar Chief Minister, has said that there should be a probe into the Pegasus phone hacking scandal. He is the first BJP ally to actually say this. This as Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has called for a breakfast meet of opposition parties tomorrow to discuss their Pegasus strategy. Meanwhile, the government is continuing to pass bills. Today, the key insurance bill, which liberalizes investment into insurance, was passed in Lok Sabha amid opposition protests.
जनजातीय और जनजातीय क्षेत्रों के लिए
अरे बैठ जाइए ना
विथ ऑल माइट
स्वीकृत हुआ विधेयक पारित हुआ.
The third straight week of opposition protest in parliament, the government quick to point out that 133 crore of the taxpayers' money and over 90 hours of legislative business time has been wasted. The opposition adamant that they want a discussion on Pegasus by the Prime Minister and Home Minister, no less. With the deadlock on, opposition parties have decided to up the ante. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi will be hosting a breakfast meeting for opposition leaders on Tuesday to decide on the future course of action. One proposal includes conducting a mock parliament at the Constitution Club, barely a few meters away from the parliament.
जितने भी फ्लोर लीडर्स हैं और उनके साथियां हैं उन सभी को यहाँ पर ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग करते हैं तो वो वही वहाँ पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में नाश्ता पे बुलाया गया.
But a setback for the government coming in from a position taken by crucial ally, the JDU. Nitish Kumar now saying there should be a probe in Pegasus.
बिल्कुल होना चाहिए. टेलीफोन टैपिंग की बात इतने दिनों से आ रही है, इस पर जरूर बात हो जानी चाहिए, चर्चा हो जानी चाहिए. इसमें तो पहले ही दिन पूछे.
For Mr. Kumar's party, this seems to be a part of a series of contrary positions, from advocating that population control does not require a law to hinting that the JDU may go alone in the UP elections. Back in New Delhi, the government wants to move ahead with legislative business. Amid the protests by the opposition parties, the General Insurance Business Amendment Bill, which seeks to remove the mandatory 51% stake cap of government in public insurance companies, was passed by voice vote.
I am strongly, vehemently, stridently opposing this anti-people, anti-national legislation.
The bill sets a deadline and increases payout limit for bank customers, proposing a new deadline of payout within 90 days covering a total of 98.3% of all deposit accounts with 50.9% in value.
विपक्ष के नेता आदिर रंजन चौधरी जी ने इतना इमोशनली जो बात कहा वो टोटली बेबुनियाद है. सरकार किसी का हक नहीं छीन रही है. खिलाफ बोलने के लिए अगर खड़े होना है तो शांति से बैठे, विवाद चर्चा करे, प्रश्न पूछे.
With the opposition adamant on a Pegasus probe and discussion, and the government now adopting a legislation railroad strategy, is this now going to be the new parliament strategy, a complete and total breakdown? Bureau Report, NDTV.